Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide these apps in HyperOS. All you guys have to do just go to security, click here and then scroll it down. Here common features, we have option of hide app. If you don't have option here, so you have to go on this option, select hide app from here. I have already here, so just click hide app and then select those applications which you want to hide. I am selecting WhatsApp and Facebook. Alright, so as you see, I don't have WhatsApp and Facebook option here. This is, by the way, this is WhatsApp business, not WhatsApp. I hide WhatsApp only. If you want to access the application, all you guys have to do just zoom in like this, and then you have these applications here. Here we have also hide notification option and app lock option, but only in this video we are only talking about hide application. So through this method you guys can hide application in HyperOS. So if this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. Comment below if the method worked for you guys. See you guys in next video. Take care.